Affiliate marketing, tips and tricks of the trade. Affiliate marketing is more popular than ever, and there are thousands of companies who want affiliate marketers to work with them. Popularity, however, brings with it competition, so it can be very hard to make a substantial amount of money as an affiliate marketer. This video includes some top tips to help you to get ahead and to start making some money. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, provide your visitors with an explanation of the products that you have chosen to advertise. If you tell your visitors the benefits of the items you are promoting, as well as show your support for the items, you can convince your visitors to purchase your affiliate company's products. When you get deep into affiliate marketing, you need to keep track of ROI, or return on investment. Simply put, this is a measurement of what profit you get out of the money you spend on advertising. Fortunately, there are plenty of automatic and free ROI tools online to assist you. By measuring your ROI, you can easily compare multiple forms of advertising and see which is most cost-effective for you. If you are trying to maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, make sure you are getting credit for all the traffic you drive. Some programs only pay for purchases made on the first click through from your site, but there are some that credit you for a set number of days after they click from your page. Hopefully the tips in this video have increased your knowledge of the affiliate marketing world. Hopefully you read about some marketing strategies and techniques that you may not have been aware of. Now, make a task list and apply this newfound knowledge. You can be on your way to becoming a very successful affiliate marketer. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.